Okay, on Reloaded. Big Guy Pacino here. This is gonna be show and tell number 189. A few days ago I had a haul from Target near where I live in Alexandria. I actually went there to the shopping center to get some shoes for work, but I decided to stop at the Target too. It was not too far away. So the video is up already. It's a peg hunting video. It's getting some views, but I probably still need to do some work because there was some copyright issues. I think I took care of one of them. I need to take care of probably another one because it was partially blocked, and I'm not monetized, so it doesn't affect that. But as far as viewership, some areas it might not have been showed. I guess some areas of either the country or the world. So go figure. YouTube and them algorithms and certain rules and regulations you have to follow and stuff. And algorithms have really changed. I guess the viewership has changed too. It's no longer COVID and people are out doing stuff. And some things have happened to some people, unfortunately, where diecast collecting has kind of been put on the back burner, unfortunately. I hope everybody's doing well. With that said, my thoughts go out to people in Texas who are dealing with flood situation. Because I have family there, and I talked to them a couple of days ago. They're not in that area, so they're doing well. They just caught rain. There's a lot of people who are out without housing, who lost pretty much everything. So if you can, pray for them, please. Okay, let's move on to the diecast. Uh, was able to get this main lines, which they didn't really have good selection. They had some I never had before. A lot of fantasy castings and a lot of peg warmers, I guess. I don't really deal with fantasy castings too much. But this was a 2015 MX5 Miata from HWJ Imports. And I really don't do these cases. Forgot how to read this. So I'm thinking this is in case, maybe. I forgot which one of these letters go. But anyway, HWJ Imports. And I collect this casting. No headlights or tail lights, but it is a convertible. If I'm correct, it's a Rio Asada, either June May design. And next we got this Mazda RX-7, which is the classic early 80s to mid 80s version from HW First Response, which is supposed to be a car, a police car. I don't see it. It doesn't even have a siren on it. So, and in Japan, they don't really, from what I heard, they don't do high speed chases. So, but I guess from nostalgia, just to be a completist, this is pretty cool. And it has the Japanese, I forgot what that is, the JNC logo. And that is a website, I think I remember. Japanese Nostalgia Car. That's what that JNC is supposed to stand for. It used to be a website. I used to be on it because I like classic Japanese vehicles. And of course, that don't have no tail lights or doesn't have no tail lights or headlights either. This is a Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint. I guess in 1960. And I know about Vespas. I think it's Italian, if I remember. Scooter. Very classic, iconic scooter. You know, it's very plastic looking. I decided to pick it up because I know what a Vespa is. So, and this is factory fresh. So this is new for 2024. Which is rare. I rarely pick up motorcycles and stuff, but if it's based on a real thing and I like the design, I'll do it. From Matchbox, we were able to get this 1974 Ranchero, which has tail lights but no headlights done. And this is MBX. I want to say off road. No, MBX highway. Yeah, MBX highway. This is. Dang, I forgot. So it's only one Matchbox. I'm sorry, folks. This is an 87 Audi Quattro HW Turbo. And it's new for 2024. So I think the other one they have is a earlier 80s version. And I want to say this is, and I think I wanted one of these when I was in high school. Because I used to, when I was on the track team on my weekend, when I'm not on a Saturday, when I'm not at practice or something, I would jog. Even before I decided to join the track team or to prepare for the track team, I used to jog to the waterfront near my house. And there was a white Audi Quattro in this neighborhood I went past, adjoining neighborhood to my own. And I just loved the way the white Quattro was just parked there. I dreamed of probably owning the car and the house too, but it's pretty cool. Very smooth little car. Um, this is an Alfa Romero GT V6 3.0 from Factory Fresh. And they changed the wheels on this. They had them slick wheels with the I want to say with deep dish like, and they changed it to these arrow discs. Which people were just buying the other one just to get the wheels that was on it. So this is pretty cool though. Headlights and tail lights. No tail lights, headlights. On the Audi, it's got headlights and no tail lights either. Now let's get to the premium. What we got is, which I haven't seen Team Transports and car culture in a while, so I ended up picking up two of them. Got the 66 Chevelle and the 72 Chevy ramp truck. You know what I'm saying? My father, growing up, I think he had, I want to say he had a 69. No, my mom, he gave a Chevelle to my mom. It was like a 69, 69 or 67 or something like that. When I was a kid, he had Impalas, 65, 66, maybe 67 or 68, and then later he had a 69. So I had to pick this up just for that nostalgia feel. And it's a pretty. I like the colors on this, and the chrome wheels on the truck don't look bad either. I saw the Fiat. Yeah, I guess I should have probably picked it up, but as you can see, I went with the Plymouth Cuda instead. No, I put the Cuda back. Yeah, I put the Cuda back. I'm sorry, folks. Thought I put the Plymouth Cuda too. No, I put the Plymouth Cuda back because I got this one. I got the 2 pack. I got the '87 Ford Sierra Cosworth and this '93 Ford Escort RS Cosworth, which I think I already had this one. I think it was a team transport not too long ago. I haven't looked through my cars to see if there are any differences. I don't know. This is just one time. I'll just have to keep the double. I'm sorry. And I don't have one of these. So definitely not with that livery. I think this is the first time I've seen this bad boy in premium. So it's pretty cool. And another car culture, just the Fast and the Furious premium. And this is 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. I thought I had this one. And I forgot what movie this one was featured in. It says Fast and Furious 6. I think that was the one when they was doing, I forgot. It's the one after Fast 5. So Fast and Furious 6. I think that's when they they were dealing with that hacker. I think they were dealing with that hacker. The God's Eye and stuff. This is probably one of the cars when in Los Angeles. I don't know. The rest of these I have except for the Toyota Sora. Of course, I found out I don't have this one either, but I wanted that Toyota Sora, but that's probably what people picked up in multiples. So I didn't even see the Sylvia there. I already had the Sylvia. And I have a premium of the Ford Gran Torino Sport and this BMW. So I kind of don't like it when they do this. I understand why they do. They give people a chance who missed out. Last but not least, we got the Lone Johnny Lightning, and this is the pop culture series for them. And this is a 1965 Ford Mustang, which I have various examples of. I think is it here? Yeah, we just got a early Mustang. I don't know if this 65? I think it is. Yeah, we just got this one. This is a green light, if I remember right. So this is more stock looking, and it's from the movie Thunderball, a replica of that. So I had to have this bad boy. I don't think I have anything. I know I have other 65s and probably early Mustangs, but I don't think I have anything that's quite this base looking. Usually with aftermarket mills. So it was cool to get this one. in factory condition. Kind of wishing the top was down instead of up. It would look better to me, but it's pretty cool. So let's see what's on the back. So they're saying this is a 2022 release 3. So it's old. It's probably some of that stock that they probably had in the back or on back order or something like that. I would like to have that 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser. 1970 Super B sounds good too. I even go with the Hudson Hornet. I seen the Dragula. They sell that for a mint on Amazon and other aftermarket secondary sites. And this the other one. I have the Shooting Star. Is it here? Yeah, it's right there. But this one's better than mine. This one has the battle damage like this Speed Racer Mark 5. So it's probably part of that companion piece. They had a 1999 Skyline too. Scared the stance looks kind of goofy. I like that wagon. What's that? That 1964 Ranch wagon looks good. I definitely would love to get that. But yeah. So basically that's it for Show and Tell 189. I want to thank the subscribers for holding me down. Always um, checking out the videos. You seem to like the Show and Tell videos more than the odds and ends videos. I would think you like the odds and ends video because that's when I take them out the package. But tomato. And I thought the pig hunting videos would be more popular. One time they were. I don't know. It just seems to change up. So try to do the best I can to get y'all more video content. I haven't done a showcase video in a while. I'll probably do one for Memorial Day. And sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. Sometimes I do it for me. You know, it's Memorial Day. I might do like a car, find a theme and do a car show. But other than that, random viewers, I hope you decide to subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the like or even dislike button. It's up to you. Leave a comment behind. Until the next time, Big Dappuccino signing out. This has been Show and Tell 189.